Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, as you saw from our title, we will be unboxing our February Allure Beauty box. For those of you who are not familiar with it, I will leave all the details down below. And in addition to that, there is a $10 off code for your first box. So if you'd like to check it out for yourself, just click on the link below. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And when we open up our box, this is what we see. It says, "We know beauty best." Now, this Allure beauty box, yes, it is a part of the Allure magazine family. All right, so inside we have our mini magazine, and it gives us all the information about all the products that we have for this month, in addition to the fact that this month's theme is Glow On. Now, it gives us a letter from the Deputy Beauty Director, and it's quite interesting, to tell you the truth. It gives us phone numbers and contact information as well. Now, I will let you know right off the bat, this month we had an opportunity to choose our perfect shade for one of the products that we're going to open up. All right. Now, the very first item, which is very interesting because this is the item that we got to choose, our shade. And it's by Merit. Well, actually, Merit Beauty. This is what it looks like. And it says, Merit Beauty Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. Now, it came in 4 different shades: Bel Air, All Natural, Pink Beat, or Jeté. And I chose All Natural. It says, these barely there tints give lips just the right amount of oomph in one of 4 gorgeous colors. Each feels light and comfortable on the lips, but lasts for ages. A nice perk given how unfussy these tints are to apply. They have hydrating ingredients like shea butter, rose hip, grapeseed, and jojoba oils, or in one of the other shades, Jeté, sunflower seed oil. Now, it says they all make the formula feel extra nourishing. Now, we did receive the full-size product. This is 7 milliliters, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for it is $24. Now, of course, this is the outer packaging, and this is what the inside packaging looks like. Now, as I stated, this one is in All Natural. Okay, that is the shade that I chose. So I do like the packaging as well. It's nice and sleek. This one I did deliberately put on a nude lip so we could kind of try it out over the top. But we swatch at the end, so hang on and we'll see what it looks like at the end. So that one is item number 1. Now, just so you know, we are $1 shy of paying for our box. How about that? $1 short already. So the next item that we have is by Skin Inc. And this is the Pure Deep Seed Hydrating Overnight Mask. It says this clear gel mask feels so good on the skin. It's cooling to the touch and soothing. A welcome addition to any routine this time of year when cold winter temperatures and indoor heat can wreak havoc on the skin. Spiked with hyaluronic acid and glycerin, it also is incredibly hydrating. A very thin coat feels calming on dry skin, and it quickly hydrates thirsty patches. Now, this one is also a full-size product at 30 milliliters or a 1 fluid ounce size. This one, the manufacturer suggested retail price is $85. Now, this is the outer packaging. And this is what the inner packaging looks like. This one has a 12-month shelf life. And I like the safety seal on here to ensure that your product is not tampered with. That's pretty fantastic. Okay, well, I can't promise I'm going to open this one up because I am currently using a mask, and some of those products that I am using for my skincare is in the previous video. So if you'd like to see that, feel free to go in and check it out for yourself. The next item that we have is by Olaplex. and it's the Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother. And it says, when indoor heat makes hair more prone to dryness and flyaways, this leave-in treatment steps in. It smooths, frizz, and hydrates all hair types and helps define curls and waves all in one easy step. That is pretty good. Now, it says the way you use it is finger comb this formula through damp hair, focusing on the mid-lengths to end, then run what's left on your hands over the roots. It's light enough that it won't weigh hair down. Now this one is a 100, well actually this one is a 20 milliliter size, but if you were to get the full size product, that would come in at 100 milliliters, and the price for that one would be $30. Now this one also has a 12-month shelf life, and it says, well, leave-in styling treatment adds moisture, strengthens, and reduces frizz for up to 72 hours. Now, that is not what it said in the book. It didn't give us that information. All right, so this one is item number 3. Now, we do have a second product by Olaplex, all right, and that one is the number 9. And this one is a Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum. And it says, high temps from blow dryers and flat irons can damage hair, causing a whole host of issues: frizz, flyaways, split ends, dullness in the long run. This light serum is one heat protectant you'll actually look forward to using because it helps make hair shinier while it works. Here for that. Definitely here for that. This one is a 20 milliliter size as well. The full size product would be 90 milliliters, and that would also go for $30. Now, both of these products have that 12-month shelf life, and it also says that there is a 20% off coupon code if you purchase it on the Olaplex website. So we're just going to keep right on going. That one was item number 4. Item number 5, I'm excited to try this one. This is the Mega Babe product, and it's the Glow Deo Rosy Pits or the Smoothie Deo. This one that I have says Skin Brightening Daily Deodorant. Alrighty, let's get to reading. It says, no matter which scent you're trying, these deodorants smell fresh and stay that way all day long. You might still sweat. It's deodorant, not antiperspirant, but you'll smell good doing it. You're receiving one of 3 different scents, and they were chosen randomly, okay? Now, it says this one is a full-size product as well. And this one has a 18-month shelf life. And it says odor control and skincare in one. Alrighty then. And this one is a cruelty-free product. Oh, look at that. Definitely safety sealed. Wow. This one smells a little medicinal to me. So I did read the back, and reading is fundamental, y'all. And it says that this one is naturally scented with lavender and mint. Okay, I understand the medicinal kind of a smell right now. So, all right, so I'm going to go ahead and put this top back on it until we're actually ready to use it. All right, you know, these all natural deodorants, I really wish that they would come up with one that was deodorant and antiperspirant. I'm here for that. Nonetheless, that one is item number 5. We got one more, y'all. The next and last item that we have is this one right here. This is 3 ships, and this is the Beauty Dewdrops Mushroom plus Kakudu Plum Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Okay, that's a mouthful. That is a mouthful. But nonetheless, it says, this brightening, hydrating serum is light and easy to layer, so you can give your skincare routine a boost. And it's soothing aloe, hydrating coconut, and more. Now, so I have noticed that the last 2 items that we have actually have coconut or coconut oil in them. So with that being said, please be very careful. Check the ingredients and labels to make sure that they do not have products that you are allergic to inside. All right. Now it says smooth it onto clean skin in the morning and top it off with your usual moisturizer. Now this one is a 7 milliliter size, which is a trial size. Oh, come on, y'all. All right, this product only goes to right here, so it's definitely a trial size. It's not the entire tube, but nonetheless. So it says that this one is actually a 7 milliliter size, but the full size would be a 30 milliliter size, and that full size product would be $37. And there's also a 20% off code for this one, as well as the previous one in the mini magazine as well. So what are your thoughts so far? Very interesting. We've definitely far exceeded what the price is that we pay for this box. We did that practically on the first item. Now we did receive 3 full-size products and 3 travel size this month. So let's check the lip tint first by Merit. That's this one in Au Naturel. Oh, I need to make sure I have a napkin available so I can clean the wand off. Oh, it feels really nice. How's that look? I like it. I do like it. It kind of makes it no longer look nude, but it did, give it kind of, a little bit of a tint. Exactly what it says it would do. Now, I do remember that I did not tell you what the expiration date was or shelf life for this one. It is 12 months. Okay. So we do have 12 months. I have so many open, y'all. This is unreal. Okay, so then the next item was this one. We're not going to necessarily try this because it's a hydrating mask. So I can't put it on and instantly take it off so you can see. But I do want to try a little bit of the Bond number 6 smoother. Okay, so I just want to let you know that I did go in and dampen my hair. I have a water bottle here, and I'm going to go ahead and squeeze a little bit into my hand. We're going to try this out. All right, hopefully we'll see some results by the time we're finished with everything. And I'm just doing this front part. It has a nice, fresh kind of a scent to it, which I like. Now let's see what happens once it dries down. So we only have one other thing to try. Well, I already told you about this one, the lavender mint scent. And I am very interested to try it out and see. I'm not a big fan of the sweating situation, but we'll kind of go from there and see. But this one wasn't bad. We'll just see what happens, okay? So, what are your thoughts? Tell me what you think of the products that we received, as well as this lippy. Actually, it is a tinted lip oil. So, what are your thoughts about this? I mean, it's a very nice price. It's reasonable enough to go back and get another one, maybe a clearer one, that doesn't necessarily have a tint at all to it. And we'll see how that works out. Now, I just want to tell you that I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbox our February Allure Beauty box. Now, these are the items that were included this month. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for all of the full size products. Alrighty? Now, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And you know it's easy on the pocket because it's free. Alrighty. Now, in your comment down below, let me know if you received the Allure Beauty Box. If you've tried any of these products, let me know your thoughts on them. I would love to hear it. You know, I'm trying it out for myself, but I would love to hear your comments about them as well. Then go ahead and share this video, you know. Share it with someone you think might want to try this box out. It's been good. I've had one challenge, and anybody who's watched my last video, you know what that is. But we're just going to keep moving. And I also want to remind you to be on the lookout for our upcoming giveaway. We have secured over 10,000 followers. I don't know, there's something going on with my algorithm. Well, that's not what this is about. We'll talk about that in another video. All right, now, most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.